Sa ganito yung strategy ko, alam kong di mo rin mauunawaan. I know that you're not gonna understand it also. So, 11.35. 11.35 times 16.87. 191. So, 1241 yan. Equivalent to 1241 and 30 seconds. 1241, 1241 and 30 seconds is going down still. Gonna go down. And then, 42. 11.65. 11.65 times 16.87. 196. So, change direction. 12, 1246, 30. Change direction. So, 1241, 30 to 1246 is going down again. So, the market is going down.